Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright. Today I want to teach you three passing chords you should know as a pianist. I'm going to be in the key of F. So I'm going to demonstrate these three passing chords first off. Then I'll show you the three passing chords. So I'll do the song forever. Oh Lord. So the first one is here. So 3 to 2, passing chord. Then your word is passing chord from 2 to 5 is settled. Then is in heaven it is settled. So the third one was on 5 to 1. So oh Lord, your word is settled. So some sound jazzy, gospel. Right, so I'm going to show you these chords. I'm in the key of F, F major. Yeah, but before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you'll see it on the screen where I taught over 2 hours, all those courses, all those topics rather. You should do that. How to get your copy? You can just go to the about section of this channel and then click the seller link. There you will see. Once you open that, you'll see intermediate, the intermediate to advanced, what's it called, course on the seller store. So you should get your copy. It's 75 for people in Nigeria and then $12 for people abroad. So you should get your copy. All right. So, and I also have other courses you can get also. Dangerous finger piano exercise and many more, how to play on all keys, ear training, right? All right, so let's get to the business of the day. All right, so the first chord, so it can be on any song. Oh Lord, so anything that takes you from 3, so your oh Lord, that's without the passing chord. Oh, 4, 3, 2. But with the passing chord, we have oh Lord. You know what makes the difference between a beginner and an intermediate pianist and a professional pianist is most times the business. Yeah. If you the space, an advanced pianist can fill the space, but most times intermediate players, even when they want to fill the space, they don't really know what to do. So they just kind of just keep it simple, not because they want to be simple, but it's because there's no knowledge. All right, and understanding. Okay, so but I want to give you those understanding and so knowledge now. So that chord goes like this. So from the 3 chord, which is yeah, I'm doing A on the left, G, C, E on the right. Then this is the chord right here. So this is like A flat 13 chord, right? Yeah. Okay, so on the left I have a flat, on the right I have a G flat, I have a B flat, C and F. I'm sure you can see that. Right. Then to your 2 chord. So that's the first passing chord. Out of the 3 passing chords you should know. The second one, from 2, we're going to 5. So your one is settled. Some people just do 2 to 5. That's at intermediate. But an advanced we do the boy 2, then passing chord, which is a diatone on the left and a quarter on the right. So here we have a B and E flat. I'm sure you are writing. This is not a movie. You should be writing. All right. So you should be writing and then practice after. So this is a B and E flat on the left. On the right, we have a D and G. Then to your 5. The one is settled. Then the last one, this one you use it most of the time because you always do 5 to 1. In heaven it is settled. Right. So so I have various variations for this one, or sometimes I do so you should get my courses to learn more from me. Let me show you the one I'll give out today. So we have this chord on the left hand. We have a F sharp and E, F sharp and E on the left. On the right, you have a F sharp. We have a F sharp. Sorry, we have a B flat, D flat, E and A flat. B flat, D flat, E and A flat. Then to your one chord. So for forever, oh Lord, the passing chord. Yeah, what is settled in heaven, it is the last passing chord. Right? Alright, so I'll expect you on my seller platform. You can also chat me directly if you want to buy directly from me. My WhatsApp contact is on the home page of this channel, so you can buy directly from me. Also, depending on the country where you are, especially if you are in Nigeria, and if you are in US also, the seller platform is not working, or UK, just chat me up for other payments options. Right? God bless you.